Let's talk about roofs this morning with
Yes.
Frank Farmer from American Metal Roofs. Good to see you again.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Now, you are an expert in all things roofing, and this is really phenomenal what we're talking about today. Some homes have flat sections of their roofs that need that special flat roofing material. How does American Metal Roofs handle those roofs?
Permanently.
That's a great answer.
That's what I want to hear.
Flat roofs have notoriously been problem childs for homeowners,
Yeah.
where they have had roof after roof after roof repair. Someone's gone up and caulked it, tarred it, done all kinds of stuff. The standby has been a rubber product that's generally been pretty good for about 10 years,
Okay.
and it really starts to shrink. When we started putting permanent metal roofs on, we had to find a solution for that. So we went out and took a look at a product that's actually used for swimming pools, used industrial product that's when you put a pool on the 15th story of a building. What were they using? Because it had to be, you couldn't replace it, you couldn't have a leak and have this water going
Yeah,
down.
it had to be
Right.
permanent.
So we went out and found a product. It's called Imperial Armor. And Imperial Armor is a PVC type of product that has a reinforcement in it that is weldable.
Wow.
So that the way this product goes on is it goes on in a sheet, and then the product then would have a big washer put down and a screw. Okay? Well, that would be exposed and you could get a potential leak point. So we take another piece and cover the screw and use a robot and literally will weld this seam and it becomes seamless, so that the fastener is underneath and the top side is just a welded,
You can't do it, yeah.
Wow.
welded piece. You can't.
And it's very clean looking and beautiful, so.
It is.
Amen to that.
It's a phenomenal product. It allows people to take a deck outside of a second story, let's say, that they can walk out onto, and also make it so they can entertain out there.
So what makes this the best product for a flat roof then?
People's other choices are things like asphalt that's going to deteriorate and where it's tarred together, or they have a tar type of product. They're all very limited in life. You put rubber down, it's a 10, 12-year product maximum. This is definitely a permanent product that will be on that house for 50 years.
Is it guaranteed?
100% material and labor forever.
Well, we're going to put your
Wow.
information on the screen. American Metal Roofs, AmericanMetalRoofs.com, if you're interested in learning more.
All right, that is all of our time for now in the Morning Blend. Thanks so much for joining us.
Have a great day.